y'all. It is Tuesday, October 1st, 2019. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. I've been a little bit out of sorts this morning. My Ninja Trader hasn't been working. I really wanted to get some stuff done. It seems like whenever I try and really anticipate those kind of things, it's usually when something thrown in the mix. And that's all right. That's just part of the game. A lot of times it's like when I'm stuck in traffic and I really want to be ahead of where I am, I try and remind myself that I'm stuck there for a reason, that there's probably a wreck or something that I'm not meant to be in, and that's why I'm being patient. Patience makes everything when it comes to day trading. So let's go ahead and check this out. I'm going to spend about an hour with it, and then I'm going to kick in a lot of things that I got going on. Got some things this afternoon I got to take care of. All right. Ooh, that was perfect for the push up. Let me actually really quick. Hold on a second, y'all. I want to look at that daily chart, but I'm seeing some good reasons for this to continue up. I'm going to go ahead and get in this one. It feels a little bit late. I'm behind here. Really wish I was back behind here. And if this starts to pull back around, I may take a little bit of a loss on this one. Woo! Yeah, that one came down quick. I was just looking at my 4181 saying, man, this may come down and pull a little bit lower before it goes up and give us a bit of a head and shoulders, which it is doing right now. Okay. Feel a little more comfortable on this entry that I took, so I'm not trying to, wasn't trying to move it as quickly. The first one I was just a little trying to, let's see how far this is gonna go. Moving this up a little bit. I'm going to take this exit. Ooh, a little too late, a little later than I really wanted. This is definitely not the right signal for down. Here it is. Let's see if I can get grabbed in that. I do have my finger over a close button. I don't know how far this is going to go down. You know I'm a dreamer. But I'm not the only one. Okay, we're pulling into the first area to create a bounce. I think I might actually take this out. Yeah. With these still popping up. Yeah. Give this one quick opportunity. As it pulled up here and popped up, I got my finger over a close button. If it starts to push down pretty quick, I'm going to get out of this one. I am going to take this first one out at a point because I am fighting a strong moving market. I'm also going to pull this one up to a tick in risk, because if it turns around real quick, I don't want to be in it. Woo, I'm going to take my exit. This could still push up. Yeah. But these have not really started to turn in. We are starting to get a potential reversal bar here. Yeah, it could still push back down right into this area before it goes up if it's going to. Still pulling outside here. Just one BB up for this little bit of pull up. Yeah. Okay. I'm definitely fighting the direction here. And when I'm fighting the direction, I know I cannot expect these to hold for a very, very long time. This pulled back and gave a great opportunity for a short trade. I think I'm going to stop for now. Okay. It's been 45 minutes or 43 minutes. I do expect this to pull back. I'm a little frustrated with myself holding off on these short trades, knowing that I had a lot of strength down. But it took me a minute to get my head in the game anyways. So let's go ahead and pull over this puppy here. We're going to hit generate 675 for 4 trades. 1 loss, 3 wins, not huge wins. And you can see today I had my head in the other direction, which is not a terrible thing because I still took profit off of them. Had I stayed in this one, I'd have been stopped out because I would have moved it to a break even. Well, I don't know. I may have made it to the 2 points for sure. I'd have made it to the 2 points, but I would have gotten out prior. There were a lot of opportunities in here that I just wasn't willing to take, and taking the reversal instead of the short, I'm not really having a problem with that, y'all, because what happens still is I'm still being responsible about my exits and taking them for a reason instead of just holding on because I just want to. So let's go ahead and knock these out real quick. It's all right. And some of these trades I did exit early, and I'm okay with that because those early exits were still calculated pretty well. Okay, so that would be 4 trades, 1 loss, 3 wins, plus 6.75 points. And we're going to call that a day. 45 minutes, it's 10:10. I didn't start until my first trade was at 9:25. My last trade I exited at 10:02. You know, 6.75 points is nothing to sneeze at. I mean, in currency, that's $337.50 in 45 minutes. I mean, wouldn't we all like to have a job like that? I know I said I was going to be working to trade a full hour. Well, I'm 15 minutes short of it. I do want to spend some more time with it, maybe do 2 hours some days. But right now, I did not bite off more than I could chew recreating this curriculum, but I have a lot of things that I just wanted to make more clear. And I didn't have PDFs for the EMAs and the MACDs, but I wanted to have those in there now. And I've been getting some great help from an amazing team, and I could not be more proud. So I'm pretty happy about that. Y'all, remember, you don't have to have home runs on every trade. Every trade doesn't have to go for 4 points. I see it going down now. It's probably going to go down pretty good. I'm going to ignore that. We don't have to have every trade go for 2 points. I mean, 2 of these trades I took out at 2 ticks. You know what I did? I ended up profitable, and I took them out for a reason. I didn't just take them out because, oh, it scared me and I didn't feel like staying in. There was a reason behind my exit. So you need to have a reason behind your entry, a reason behind your exit, moving your risk along for a reason, not just because you want to. And I know I said I feel like this wasn't gonna go down. Well, when you've traded like I have for a while and you spent some time with it, it could seem like an intuition or a feeling, but it's really just the understanding of the reading of the slowness of the MACDs, the location of them, telling us that, hey, this is coming down, but it's not coming down with a lot of strength. I pointed out where it was about to do a big drop, and I just wasn't ready to take it up here. And that's okay. You know, there's no complaints. We don't have to walk away with 15, 20 points. Most people's goal is 2 points. That's $100 a day. And we can far exceed that if we just flow with the market and pay attention and really put our thought process into it instead of just lackadaisy hoping these things will work out. So we're going to wrap that up, guys. I hope everybody has a fabulous Tuesday. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.